Tapi enggak 3 kali karena sudah ada takut tinggi.
Maaf guys.
Dia takut tinggi, jadi dia nggak mungkin ngajak ke tempat tinggi.
Emang siapa yang ini? Fobia ketinggian?
Sama udah.
Oh iya.
Waktu di Taiwan naik ke apa si gedung 100 lantai itu dia melipir pegangan.
Udahan? Mas mau udahan? Mas.
Umur ikan lele, ikan lele. Umur ikan lele, I love you. Si bad. I love you.
Are you funky? Kecil kecil sudah jadi umur, janda janda di bawah umur, tiap malam dia susah.
Finally. Jeez. Voice of heaven, creatures of the night are getting down. I came forever. Voice of heaven, girl, leather pants.
I think it's funny when you do that though. Spun it, well, yeah, we've got a black spot. I'm just gonna order one of them rubber sound. Yeah, right at the top.
Thank you. Excuse me. God bless me.
I sneeze every time I look at the sun.
Pizza. 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 Pizza.